Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage risk tolerance with Betterment, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial for successful investing. Begin by logging into your Betterment account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Goals section on the dashboard. Identify the investment goal you want to manage. Click on the goal to view its specific details. You will find an option to adjust your risk preferences. Select Edit next to the risk tolerance setting. Betterment typically offers several risk profiles ranging from conservative to aggressive. Choose the profile that aligns with your comfort level regarding potential losses. Review the tailored investment recommendations based on your selected risk profile. Take your time to understand how each option aligns with your investment timeframe. After selecting your risk preference, confirm the changes. Betterment may suggest rebalancing your portfolio to fit the new risk level. Follow the prompts to execute any necessary adjustments. Monitor your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your evolving risk tolerance. Consider revisiting your risk settings annually or after significant life changes. Betterment will continue to adapt your investments based on your selected risk level. With these steps, you can effectively manage your risk tolerance with Betterment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.